it's Karen, and we are gonna make some Instant Pot applesauce. So the first thing we did was picked out 10 apples. I chose Fuji because they are a little bit sweeter than most, but you can choose your desired sweetness. I am not going to add any sugar to this, and so that's why I chose these. And I cored and peeled them, and so I used this to do that so that it would be easier, and then we peeled them. So I'm going to go ahead and put all of them into my pots. Now apples have a lot of water already in them, so you do not have to add a lot of water to do this. So I am only going to add 1/4 cup of filtered water, and then I am going to seal my pot, make sure my vent is sealed, and I'm going to set it to manual and only 5 minutes. And then when the time is up, you can either let it naturally release or you can quick release, because then we're going to transfer it to my KitchenAid and we're going to blend it to the consistency that I want. Or you can use an immersion blender if you have one of those. I just happen to like my KitchenAid better. So when this finishes, I will show you what that looks like. And then I will also show you what I'm going to do with it. My apples finished cooking and I let it naturally release. And so what I'm going to do is put them in my KitchenAid mixer. And I'm not draining any of the liquid. And then I'm just going to raise that up, and I'll start out slow so it doesn't splash anywhere. And then you just mix to your desired consistency. And if you're going to go that fast, use this. And that looks about right. So let's try it. Oh, that's yummy. Hey, I made really good applesauce, honey. So the other thing I was mentioning was that I was making it so that I could do something else with it. I don't know how many of you guys buy those little squeeze pouches for your child, but I found this, which is a way that you can fill your own squeeze pouches, and they have little characters on them, and it's called a squishy. And so you put your contents inside of this, and then you attach your pouch right here, and you squeeze it into the pouch, and then it has lids, and it actually has, it'll open so that you can clean out the inside of this and reuse them. And so I'll put a link in the comments, so if you're interested in looking at these. But I made this because my daughter said she wanted to try her own. So you can mix other things in with your applesauce if you want to get some vegetables or other fruits in there, and maybe save yourself some money on buying squeeze pouches. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thanks. If you enjoyed this recipe, please subscribe to my channel.